Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, this is a quick video for those of you that participated in the grass Airdrop campaign and you got the allocation. So looking on the screen guys, you can see connect your Solana wallet on the grass dashboard before Monday, September 30th, 8 p.m. ET. This is 12 a.m. UTC. So if you miss the deadline, you will not be able to claim rewards from the first airdrop. So guys, please make sure to connect your grass account to any Solana wallet of your choice. It can be Phantom wallet, it can be Software wallet. So I made a video on how to connect your grass account to Phantom wallet, which I'm going to drop the video link at the description of this video. So guys, please make sure to do this before 30th of September, 12 a.m. UTC, which is 8 p.m. ET. Alright guys, so for those of you that don't know how to check or confirm if you have already connected your Solana wallet to your grass account, what you just need to do is to visit your grass account. So I'm using Yandex browser on my mobile device to show you guys how to do this. You click on reward. So after clicking on reward, you are going to see verification completed. You are going to see wallet successfully connected. So if you don't know how to connect your wallet, I'm going to drop a video link at the description of this video that is going to guide you on how to connect your grass account to any supported Solana wallet. But in that video, I use Phantom wallet. So guys, this is the latest information you should know about grass for those of you that got the allocation. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal gains to your wallet.